What's up, Filipinas? Welcome to the first Department of Tourism Halal Tourism and Trade Expo. Salam.
Doctoral thesis about halal. Sabi niya, pwede daw ba silang magpatulong sa office ninyo? Sabi ko, sige po na lang kayo ipapakilala ko. Ano po siya? Muslim din siya ba? Apo. Ayan. Sige po. So, ano siya? Professor po siya ng ano? Siya yung professor, dean po ng tourism department sa Tagaytay City Plaza.
Sige. Wala ka.
Si Ma'am Bebet, classmate namin sa Saldiwa.
As you go.
Salam or Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Salam is a common greeting in Muslim communities. The shorter version of the Assalamu alaikum that we are more used to hearing. It is also a gesture of welcome, of openness, a sign of respect, be it to a stranger or a friend. Here in the city of firsts, Araneta City, we finally witness the launch of the first ever Department of Tourism organized Halal Tourism and Trade Expo within the metro. It is only up that it is named after a common greeting. Salam. Salam possibly one of the first gestures a non-Muslim would encounter. When we decided on Salam, we thought of how we would best convey our hopes to all of you. A hope for success, a hope for celebration, and a hope that in the coming months and years, we will see a most enthusiastic, flourishing halal and Muslim-friendly tourism landscape. In the next 3 days, everyone will be treated to a variety of happenings, starting with an opening ceremony that is graced by no less than our dear Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. We also have pictures for our Mindanao regions, for our halal-friendly destinations, for halal gastronomy and culinary, and for halal certifiers, and for our Muslim-friendly accommodation establishments. It is a packed 3-day event, and we hope that you can all be with us until the end. As I said, there is so much more to see and hear in this venue. It is my honor to welcome you all in the City of Firsts, in the first ever DOD-led Halal Tourism and Trade Expo. Inshallah, the first of many. Salam 2024. This Halal Expo is very timely, as on Sunday, we are celebrating Eid al-Adha, or commonly translated as the Feast of Sacrifice. Eid Mubarak to all, love halal, love the Philippines. Good afternoon, each and every one of you.
It is with immense pride and joy that I welcome you here today to the Salam, the Halal Travel and Trade Expo Philippines 2024. The theme of this year's Expo, Celebrating Excellence in Philippine Halal Tourism, Innovation and Culture, perfectly encapsulates the celebration of our rich heritage, innovative spirit, and dedication to building an inclusive environment for all. Last year, the Philippines was named the Emerging Muslim-Friendly Destination of 2023. This recognizes the country's efforts led by our Department of Tourism and of course our Honorable Secretary to offer services and amenities for Muslim tourists. These initiatives resonate deeply in Quezon City, especially in our movement towards inclusivity and respect for all cultural and religious diversities. Quezon City is proud to be home to a vibrant and growing community of 40,000 to 50,000 Muslims and to 45 beautiful mosques. Their presence underscores our commitment to inclusivity and multiculturalism, making our city a dynamic and welcoming place for all. Through our Bangsamoro Affairs Office, which prioritizes the needs of our Muslim community, we aim to forge strong connections with every community member, integrate halal principles into tourism and trade, and anchor our progress where no one is left behind. Promoting halal and Muslim tourism involves capitalizing on diverse cultural heritage and vibrant communities, as well as ensuring that their products and services are accessible to the general public. Our Bangsamoro Affairs Office even assists in the accreditation of several establishments by halal accrediting agencies like the HISIP, or the Halal International Chamber of Commerce and Industries of the Philippines. The same office encourages foreign and local tourists to visit these halal establishments and restaurants together with our local tourism department in a bid to enhance cultural diversity. Today, there are close to 20 Muslim-friendly restaurants in the city registered with our business permits and licensing department. To promote the growth of local tourism, the tourism department also holds the Best Halal Dishes competition annually, coinciding with our Foundation Day on October 12 every year. Moreover, our tourism department is working closely with the Department of Tourism, who will conduct halal certification training for our hotels, restaurants, and other micro, small, and medium enterprises. Just recently, a food delivery network also coordinated with the Bangsamoro Affairs Office to mainstream the selling of halal certified food in our city. With the Philippines as a mosaic of diverse cultures, each of us contributes to the rich tapestry of our national identity. Our Muslim communities, with their deep-rooted traditions and vibrant cultural expressions, play a crucial role in this mosaic. This expo is a wonderful opportunity to showcase the beauty and depth of Philippine Muslim culture, from exquisite cuisine and intricate crafts to music, dance, and spiritual practices. By celebrating and promoting this cultural heritage, we not only honor our Islam roots, but also build bridges of understanding and appreciation with the global community. As we navigate the path forward, let us recognize the value of collaboration among government agencies, private sectors, local communities, and international partners in achieving our goal of inclusive prosperity. Together, we can create a thriving halal ecosystem that benefits everyone, fostering economic growth, cultural exchange, and social harmony. Let us embrace this opportunity to learn, share, and grow within this thriving industry. May this expo inspire us all to build an environment where everyone can achieve success. Once again, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa pagpili sa Lungsod Quezon bilang host city ng napakagandang programa ito. At tanggapin po ninyo ang aking taus-pusong pagtaya sa programa ito. Katulad na nabanggit ko kay Yusek Myra, you can count on us to be your partner on all steps of the way towards your journey toward a halal-friendly nation. Muli, assalamualaikum, and may peace be upon all of us. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayo lahat.
I thank all of you today for joining us at Salam, the Halal Travel and Trade Expo Philippines 2024. The Department of Tourism has organized this milestone event for our country to celebrate excellence in Philippine halal tourism, innovation, and culture. Islamic influence in the Philippines is deeply rooted in our history and culture, particularly in Mindanao. This region, rich in natural beauty and cultural diversity, is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of various cultures, traditions, and influences. In fact, long before the Spanish arrived in the Philippines, our Muslim brothers and sisters have been here, showing us Filipinos what it means to be brave, to be resilient, to be gracious in all occasions. The people of Mindanao, with our warm hospitality and deep-rooted traditions, are invaluable to our cultural tapestry as a nation. Through initiatives like the Philippine Experience Program, which we have taken all over the country, and I have just in fact returned from Mindanao, particularly the Sorsogon region, we aim to honor and celebrate our brothers and sisters. Additionally, I have also personally witnessed for myself the beauty of Mindanao and the beauty of the Muslim culture, having gone as far as Tawi-Tawi and Sulu to highlight the culture, the heritage, the traditions, and to show our gratitude to all of them, all of you, who are an integral part of the Philippine tourism landscape. The global market for halal tourism is expanding rapidly, presenting vast opportunities for our nation's economic growth, creating more markets for our tourism stakeholders, and generating more livelihood for our fellow Filipinos. To ensure that the Philippines is well situated to capitalize on this global demand, our government, under the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., is rapidly expanding our efforts to promote and enhance halal and Muslim-friendly tourism in the Philippines. Aligned with our National Tourism Development Plan, we have placed halal tourism high on our priority agenda to strengthen our halal tourism portfolio raise awareness among tourism stakeholders about the values and practices important to Muslim travelers, and to ensure our global competitiveness. We are elated that these efforts of the Marcos administration have been globally recognized. In 2023, the Philippines was awarded the Emerging Muslim-Friendly Destination of the Year among non-Organization of Islamic Cooperation countries in the Halal in Travel Global Summit in Singapore. This year, the Philippines has again been awarded Emerging Muslim-Friendly Destination of the Year with MasterCard Crescent Rating Global Muslim Travel Index recognizing, and I quote, tourism authorities have placed halal tourism high on their priority agenda, evidenced by their action to enhance the halal tourism portfolio and raise awareness among tourism stakeholders about the values and practices important to Muslim travelers. Among non-OIC destinations, the Philippines has steadily increased its appeal to Muslim tourists by strategically developing their halal tourism portfolio, enhancing halal accreditation of hotels and restaurants, and conducting halal awareness orientations.
Hi, this is RD King of Region 12 Soc Sarchen, and we are participating in showcasing whatever Mindanao has to offer. I'm inviting everyone. This is our opening day and we will be here until Sunday.
Hi, my name is Sanera from Green Food. Actually, Green Food is a company owned by Sir Ogie and Regine Velasquez.
Ogie Acid?
Yes, they're one of the owners. So, bale, partnership po sila, walo silang may-ari. So, yun. Green Food po, we are manufacturer of gourmet tuyo and smoked bangus in pure olive oil. So, healthy po siya.
So, pakita niyo mga products. Example, ilapit nyo. That's the tuyo, hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy gourmet tuyo.
Okay.
In
olive oil.
Yes po.
So, bukod sa hot and spicy, may regular.
Meron po kami another one, smoked bangus.
Bangus naman.
Yes. Available in original and spicy variant.
Okay. And then, what else?
Meron din po kami tuyo.
So, tuyo, bangus, and
Tuyo din, but in corn oil.
corn oil naman. So, puro tuyo and bangus pa lang so far.
Yes, smoked bangus po siya. Medyo price.
Ma'am, can you give us yung retail price?
Retail price, here po.
So, nasa 155, may tumataas. 298 yata, o 305 kaya mataas.
Yes.
Kapag smoke bangus. Pag bangus,
Mataas po yung olive oil.
pag olive oil. Okay. So, saan po ito available, ma'am?
So, available po siya sa Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, and all major supermarkets like SNR, Landmark, Robinsons.
Wala pa sa SM.
SM wala po. Under ongoing pa naman po yung contract namin sa SM. Pero Metro, meron na po.
Ma'am, ano kakaiba ng Green Food sa ibang brand ng mga tuyo and bangus, bottled bangus?
So as far as I'm concerned, kami po yung unang-unang manufacturer of gourmet tuyo na may halal certification. And as you can see, wala po kami ginagamit na fillers or veggies. Lahat po, tuyo po, fish po talaga yung laman. And pure olive oil po, wala pong halo.
So, kauna-unahan or the only halal certified?
Kauna-unahan and only halal certified ng fried, authorized by UAE government.
Ayun. So, yun, invite them.
Bili po kayo. Thank you very much.
Wala po siyang halong baboy.
Singit.
Halal? Pero ano naman po siya, halal lang, ano na po, certified na po. Kasi pag
Ma'am, konting explanation. Pakita mo yung mga products mo.
Ano po? Si kalabasa po.
Chicharong kalabasa.
Yes po, sir. Ano naman po si mushroom.
Mushroom.
Yes po, sir. And ito naman sir, si Bagnet po. Gawa naman po siya sa coconut.
Coconut kasab, bagnet. Okay.
And ito naman sir, si Kawali po. Gawa naman po siya sa kasab.
Kasaba rin.
Ito po sa coconut po. Ito sa kasab po.
Kasaba, coconut,
Ito po si mushroom, si nori seaweed.
seaweed naman. Ano yung mga prices niya, ma'am?
Ito po, 290 po. And ito naman po, sir, 110 po, 125, 80, 110 po.
Saan po siya mabibili? Aside from here?
Sa may Landers po and supermarket, sir.
Doon pa lang? Landers. And supermarkets like what? Which supermarket?
Kahit saan po, sir. Basta supermarket po sa mga SM.
So may mga SMs, mga Robinsons, gano'n. Available talaga siya?
Yes po, sir.
And all of these are halal certified?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Dalaw na, sir. Mamaya na lang po. Okay, sige po.
Itong mga bottle, mga ano to?
Chili garlic po.
Puro chili garlic lang yan.
Apo.
Different sizes lang. Ito kebab sauce.
Kebab sauce po. Para po dito sa item natin.
Sinalagay doon. Okay, thank you. Sino mo pwedeng mag-explain? Kayo, ma'am? Explain mo yung mga products mo.
Ito po, meron po tayong beef tapa. Ito po yung...
Pakita mo sa camera, pakita mo sa camera.
Ito po, beef tapa. 250 grams, 200 pesos. Meron din po tayong chicken kagitin. Ito po yung pater na tinatawag sa Quiapo. Pag po siya wala sa kanin, natawag sa kanya kagitin. Meron din po tayong hotdog.
Hotdog.
195 per pack.
For
Meron po tayong
chicken hotdog.
Pwede niyo po itry.
It is pre-taste.
Opo.
And then aside from those, meron tocino, siomai. This is chicken siomai. Then beef siomai. And then mga longganisa. Meron din ba chicken longganisa?
Tomorrow po maging available.
So meron din. Ano yung mga prices? Ayan. Prices. Thank you. Sir, ano mga prices nito?
Yung big pack po natin is 330.
Ito pala, 330.
Yung small pack is 115.
115. So, 330 to, 115 to mga maliliit. Kahit anong flavor. Thank you. Kaway po kayo, kaway. Ayun. Sino po pwede mag-explain? Ayan. Sige, promote niyo po yung products niyo, ma'am. Ano yung mga nandito?
Ito po yung mga produkto namin galing Zamboanga.
Galing Zamboanga.
Ito po galing sa Yakan Track from Basilan and Zamboanga City.
Okay. So, ano po tawag sa ganyan, ma'am?
Ito po Yakan 10 noon.
Yakan 10
noon.
10 noon? Ano, usually how much po yung price niyan?
1,000 po per meter.
1,000 per meter. Sa per meter po ang bili.
Ito po sa may mga ganito, mga laser. May mga polo dito. Ito, 2,500 lang po yan.
2,500.
Ito, 5,000.
5,000. Ito po yung 5,000.
This is 4-5, bolero.
Mga 4-5.
Tapos may pants. Skirt po ito, 3-5 po.
Pero yung mga ganyan, mga ready to wear yan, hindi siya made to order.
Ito na kung ano po yung meron dyan.
Yan na yun. So, paano po kami pag halimbawa wala na kayo dito? Paano kami o-order sa inyo?
Online.
Online? Nasa Facebook po ba kayo or what? Website?
Facebook po.
Sige. Ano ba pa pangalan ninyo? Dito. Ay, wala nakalagay. Angie's. Ayan. Handloom weaving. Handloom weaving. Yakan Handloom weaving. So, nasa Facebook po pati. Ayan. Sige, pin ko kayo sa Facebook, ma'am. Thank you. So, aside from the Facebook page, paano po ba? Pag-order kami ng, let's say, wala dito, or...
Order online po.
How long does it take?
Depende po kung ano yung kailangan po ninyo. Kaya
Usually,
meron naman po kami dyan, dito sa Urban Deca Home. Meron naman, stock group po kasi namin dyan.
Urban Deca is where po siya?
Sa near SM East.
SM Ortigas East?
Apo, SM East.
Okay. Pupuntahan lang doon. Meron kayong parang butik doon? Abot?
Andun po nakastock yung mga, parang semi-showroom lang po siya. Pwede pumunta isa-isa. Hindi kasi pwedeng pumunta pa.
So may mga meron naka-storage doon. Naka-display naman siguro itong mga items niyo sa Facebook. Sige ma'am, salamat po.
Order online, tapos palalamove na lang po.
Palalamove.
Kahit ano, local courier naman po.
Sa Facebook niyo pa, nandun yung mga price list, gano'n?
Wala po. Pag
mag-inquire na lang
kayo, tapos bigyan na namin po yung price, kung ano yung available.
So naka-display po doon yung mga different clothes, mga damit?
May magtanong po kung anong available. Tsaka ko lang po isasend yung mga pictures. Kasi po, baka isasend ko yung mga pictures tapos hindi available. So mag-discourage.
Oo nga eh. For example, dito ma'am, panlalaki to, di ba? Ano marirecommend nyo na pinakamaganda?
Lahat naman po maganda.
Hindi, para sa inyo, ano pinakamaganda? Nababagay sa akin.
Assorted colors po kasi. Tapos yung ganito. Different design po kasi siya. May ganito na.
Pero ano pinaka-best seller?
Lahat naman po.
Lahat? Ayaw talaga. Paano makakapili niya? Wala kayong ma-recommend.
Kasi hindi ko man madamit ko ang best seller ko ngayon.
Sige ma'am, check ko muna. Hanggang kailan ba dito ang exhibit?
Sunday pa.
Until Sunday. Iyon. Para...
po ang mga ibang buyers dito.
Sige ma'am, good luck. Salamat po. So, halal certified pala yung mulak. Halal certified pala yung mulak, kada. Ma'am, explain. Ano po ba best seller niyo?
Lahat po yung sa amin. Lahat po ng produkto po namin si best seller.
Okay.
Ito po yung cheese. Yung per box po namin is 265. Ito po yung cheese stock. May malolos din po kami. Cheese, may malolos yama, may ube din po.
Pero ano talaga pinakamabenta?
Cheese, sa amin is, iba't iba kasi sa hindi talaga.
Pero ma'am, halimbawa, meron ba kayong special offer ngayon for this event? Or same price lang po ba?
Ano po sila? Yung malakihan po is 55 po. Yung ubi at yama po. Yung
pero
cheese lang.
Pag bibili niyo siya outside, ganun pa rin ba price? Or?
Yes po, same price lang.
So wala kayong parang promo price ngayon for the event?
Wala po.
Okay.
Same price lang po.
Kala ko baka may special, bibili ko.
Yung special po marami na.
Kasi usually bibili ko sa Mega Mall, di ba meron ba?
Oo, meron. Same price lang po siya. Same price lang.
Dapat pag may mga event, dapat nagbibigay ng special promo. Only for the event. Ganun.
Nagano lang po kami sa
The farm at San Benito. Wow! Kumusta na farm? May bago na ba?
Bago, sir, yeah, we have new villas. Yeah,
yung,
that was built.
yung tinato yung bagong restaurant, tapos na ba?
Yes.
Tapos na?
We offer na chicken.
Oo, kasi nag-staycation na kami din sa inyo eh.
Yeah, before vegetarian restaurants lang po. Now we have a restaurant that serves chicken.
Yung restaurant na kaiwalay na tinato yung bago?
Yes. We call it the Upper Deck. Same name ng restaurant.
Okay, natapos na siya?
Yes, sir. Available na siya.
O sige, tell something about what's new at the farm at San Benito.
So for the farm naman po, still the same farm that we are aiming for wellness tourism, so healing. So we're not just a regular resort. So we have programs for different programs, mind healing, just pure relaxation. And then,
kumusta yung yung mga, di ba, the farm at San Benito is known for health and wellness, di ba?
Yes, health and wellness.
May nalagdag ba mga services? May bago ba?
Yeah, we have several services, and one of our highlights is our mental health program.
We have the pavilion.
So you can see, this is our mental health program. So we have a 2 nights and then 3 nights program. So this is one of our most availed program as of the moment.
For Agusan del Norte, we have joint table sauce.
Sige, thank you. Invite them.
Yeah, please visit the farm, and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.
Kain, ma'am. Nandun din kayo sa Wopex? Sa Mapbex pala. Galing ko lang doon kahapon eh.
Promote halal tourism program in the region. We also attended a virtual joint coordination meeting between DOST, NCMF, and the local government of Butuan City. This is organized by DOST Caraga, wherein we were able to discuss to hold an orientation for tourism-related establishments on halal food and tourism in Butuan City. This was conducted last August 18, 2000.
Hi, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Myra Paz Valderosa Abubakar, Undersecretary for the Department of Tourism, handling Muslim tourism as well as Muslim-friendly tourism and halal tourism. We'd like to invite you to come to the first ever Halal Travel, Tourism and Trade Expo of the Department of Tourism here happening at 822 Mall, Araneta City. Ano po yung mga may expect ninyong makita? We have our halal certifiers here and all of our products are halal made. So yung mga pagkain po natin na hindi nyo ini-expect na halal ay makikita nyo din po dito. Then on the third day, we also have halal chefs who will do their own cooking para ipakita po sa inyo kung paano naman magluto ng halal na food. At para po mas maintindihan nyo kung ano po ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng halal. So come join us dito sa first ever Halal Tourism and Trade Expo ng Department of Tourism. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, pa-shout ko kayo ulit ha. Pero this time yung pangalan ng website ko. Sigaw kayo, what's up Pilipinas? Welcome to the Halal Tourism and Trade Expo Philippines. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
What's up Pilipinas? Welcome to the first Department of Tourism and Trade Expo.